The customers don't cancel subscription just because of one reason. They cancel after a series of small disappointment. And by the time they click cancel, you are already late. And to solve this problem, I have built an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow that detects cancellation intent, understands the reason, and offers the right retention option instantly. Let me show you how this works, and then we will build it step by step inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. My AI agent comes into action as soon as any customer sends the keyword cancel inside my chat. Let me show you the demo of this. So I will open my WhatsApp account and I will send this keyword cancel. Then you will see that my WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered instantly, and at first it will greet me, then it will help me retain this particular subscription. I have received this welcome message. I understand, I can help with that. I am Retain X, your AI retention specialist. What would you like to do today? Cancel my subscription, pause my subscription, upgrade or change plan, facing issues with service, or talk to support. We just have to reply with following numbers, and then it will take care of next step. So as I want to cancel my subscription, so in here I will just type down this one and then I will send it. It has sent me this new message where it is asking me to proceed. Please tell me your cancellation reason, pick one. So let me select this particular reason as not satisfied with service and send it in here. Then let us see what next message this AI assistant will send us. It has sent this message: I am really sorry, the service has not met your expectation. I want to make this right. To help you quickly, we can offer a dedicated coach, a customized plan based on your goals, free 7-day premium trial so you can experience the improved support. Before we proceed, what basically wasn't satisfactory? Example, workout plan quality, app issues, coaching or support, results, billing, or anything else. And would you like to try the 7-day premium trial plus dedicated coach, or do you still want to cancel? You can see how lucrative plan this AI assistant has offered me to make me not cancel this particular subscription. So as I wanted a dedicated coach, so I will just copy this dedicated coach from here and send it in the chat. Now you can see we have received this new message. Done. I'll set you up with a dedicated coach along with a customized plan and your free 7-day premium trial. And it is asking me some questions like my name and contact number so that it can successfully assign me this dedicated coach. So you just saw this was how my AI assistant has persuaded me to retain my subscription. So you just saw how effectively this AI assistant has worked for my business, and it has helped me retain most of my customers when they tried to cancel. So this was the demo of my assistant. Now I will help you also create this exact same AI assistant for your business. To start creating that, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here, on the top right corner, we have two different options: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account, where you will get 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. With the help of these credits, you can easily create some AI assistants or WhatsApp chatbot inside our Pabbly Chatflow account for free. But if you wish to get more credits, you can anytime upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly and also get an exciting discount by using my coupon code JAI50. But if you are an existing user here, click on this sign in button and you will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. In here, Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. With the help of these applications, you can completely automate your business. To use any of these applications here, just click on this access now button. As we want to use Pabbly Chatflow, that's why I will press this access now button, and you will see I will get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to use this, at first you have to add your WhatsApp number in here. Click on this button, select any of these two different methods to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, this column will be accessible to you. In here, we have these following amazing features. If you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you face any doubt while adding your WhatsApp number in here, you can take help from the videos that I have added for you in the description box. After adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating your AI assistant, on this column itself, click on this AI assistant box. You will get directed on this new page where all the AI assistant that you will create will get stored. These are the AI assistant that I have created, and this is the exact same AI assistant AI customer retention agent that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So as I want to create this exact same AI agent, that's why at first I will deactivate this from here, and then I will press this add AI assistant button to start creating my assistant. I have to click on this. Now in here, we have to give a meaningful name to our assistant. So I will name this as AI customer retention agent. You also have to give a name to your AI agent, then press this add AI assistant button. You will get directed on the new page where you can start creating your AI agent. In here, we just have to work on 4 simple steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and at last this is styling. So let us start working with this AI instructions. For this, at first we have to select this instruction type. From this drop down, I will select my instruction type as AI agent because I want to create that. But if you want, you can select another instruction type for yourself. So select this instruction type. Then inside this instruction box, you can see the role and constraints of my AI agent are already added. For this, here the text is written, provide instructions for how the AI assistant should respond to users. Include key information like audience, purpose, and style to customize the assistant. Inside this box, you have to provide instructions to our AI assistant that how it should respond to the queries of your users. After adding these instructions in here, if you want that, you can also add these instructions on your own. Next, for this AI configuration, we have this temperature. First of all, this temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. That's why to maintain a balance between focus and creativity, here 0.5 is set automatically. If you want to increase or decrease this temperature, click on these buttons to do that. Next, for this select AI to use, we have to select this OpenAI. Then for this model, as I want to use GPT 5.2 for myself, so that's why I will select this from here. But if you want to select any other model, you can also do that. Now we have to add this API key. So this API key is like the token, like the password of our OpenAI account. To get this, at first purchase a paid subscription of OpenAI, then click on this hyperlink given here. You will get directed on this OpenAI platform. In here, just click on this create new secret key button, give a name to your key and press this create secret key button. Your key will get generated. You can easily copy this key from here, come back, paste it in here, press this connect button to successfully create your connection. In here, I will add my own API key, then I will connect it. My OpenAI key is saved successfully. Now for this AI assistant settings, we have these 5 different options: header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt, or fallback message. If you want to use any one of them, just turn these buttons on to use them. If you want to use this header, turn on this button. Then inside this box, you can add any text like this. Here I have added this hello. This hello will be visible to all of my customer with the reply of my OpenAI. But if you do not want to use this, just turn this button off from here and it will be off. The same goes for this footer message also. The third one is this stop keyword. I will explain you how to use this because this is important one. To use this, just turn this button on. Then in here we have to add some keywords. So to add keyword, just type down the keyword and press this enter button to successfully add this. Otherwise this will not work. We can add multiple keyword inside this box. So let us add this keyword exit also, and then you can see this is also added. And now we have added this keyword. This will work as whenever your customer will send this keyword inside your chat, automatically this WhatsApp AI assistant will stop replying to them. And then if you want, you can also manually take over that chat. Next, we have this retry attempt. In here, you can add number in range of 1 to 10 to give fallback retry attempts to your customer. At last, we have this fallback message. This message will get displayed to your customer when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. If you want, you can also change this message on your own. With this, we have successfully completed the first step of the creation of our AI assistant. Now let us move towards the second step, knowledge source. In here, we have to upload a file. Here the conditions are written. Connect knowledge unique to your business. Include FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering questions. So basically, in here, we have to upload a file with every minor detail about our business. That file will act as a brain of our AI, and it will help our AI assistant in solving the queries of our customer. Here some conditions are written that the size of file must be less than 90 MB. Accepted formats are TXT and PDF. There is one more condition for this PDF, that no page limit for text PDFs, but if the PDF has images, it is limited to 10 pages. I have already created this knowledge base for myself inside my Google Docs account. You can see this is the knowledge base where I have provided every minor detail about my business along with the images. Now I just have to download this from here and paste it inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So to download this, I will go in the file, click on this download, and then I will select this PDF format. Here my file is downloaded successfully. Now I have to go back, drag it in here. Now you can see my file is getting uploaded. Meanwhile, let us work on this assistant interface, which is our third step. For this, here this box is visible to you from the beginning of this video. If you want to change anything inside this box, you just have to type down those details in here to change this particular details. You can see here my file is also uploaded. So now let me show you how you can change these details inside this box. box. Here for this heading, your brand name is added. If you want to change this, inside this box you have to add any other text. So in here I will add this Flex Life plus membership. On the right side you can see it has changed successfully. The same goes for this subheading also. If you want to change this subheading, you have to type down the text inside this second box. Then for this initial message, in here one message is already added. We can add only 2 initial message in here. So if you want to add anything else inside the box, type down that particular text and press on this enter button to successfully add it. For this powered by Pabbly, which is visible here, if you want to enable or disable it, you can select it from this drop down. In this privacy policy, this is actually a hyperlink. If you want to create this, you have to type the text inside this box and paste link inside this box to create your hyperlink. At last, for this user first message, I need help is added. If you want, you can also change this on your own. Now let us move towards our last step, styling. In here we can style our AI assistant. Like I can change the theme into light or dark. I can change the shape into circle, square or rounded square. If I want, I can also change the background color or profile picture from here. But as I do not want to change them, so I will just turn my AI agent on from here. Then I will press this save AI assistant button. You will see that my AI assistant is saved successfully. This means that we have successfully completed the process of creation of our AI assistant. Now we just have to test it. But before that, if you want to use this AI assistant from your website, just click on this embed button, copy the script from here and paste it inside the code. After that, this AI assistant will also work from your website. Now we just have to test our AI assistant. Earlier we used to assign this AI assistant inside any of our chats to test it, but this time we will not do that. We will create a flow with the help of which this particular AI assistant will only get assigned to those customers who will send the keywords that we will add inside our flow. Now to create a flow, we have to go inside this flow and select this flows from here. This is the flow builder page. In here, just click on this add flow button to start creating your flow. Now inside this page, we can start creating our flow by a simple method of drag and drop. At first, we have to work on our trigger step. But before that, let us give a meaningful name to our chatbot. So I will name it as this Flex Life plus membership. Now we have to work on our trigger step. First of all, I will select this trigger event as keyword or regex match because I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of keywords that I will add inside the box. So we have to select this keyword or regex match as our trigger event. Inside this box, I will add this keyword cancel, and after adding that, we have to press this enter button to successfully add this. Otherwise, this keyword will not work. Here our trigger is all set. From now onwards, whenever any customer will send this keyword cancel inside my chat, my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly. And now we have to work on our action step. For that, as we want our chatbot to assign an AI assistant to our customer as soon as they send this keyword cancel. So that means that from this action features, we just have to drag this assign AI assistant node, drop it in here. Connect both of these flowing circles. Then from this drop down, we have to select the AI agent that we have created. This event management AI assistant is the assistant that we have created. So we will select this. Then for this start with, we have 4 options, but I will select this use client message because I want my assistant to get triggered with the help of my client's message. We have also created this flow. Now we just have to click on this save button to save the flow that we have created here. Now let us test if this flow and AI assistant are working properly or not. So for that, I will open my WhatsApp account. Now inside this chat, I will send this keyword cancel. After that, you will see my WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered instantly and it will assign the AI assistant. I have successfully received this welcome message from my AI assistant. This means that the AI assistant that we have created here is working all fine. I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this amazing customer retention AI agent inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to create more such amazing AI agent inside Pabbly Chatflow without worrying about credits, then you can anytime upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly, where you just have to pay once to get lifetime subscription of Pabbly. And if you will use our coupon code JAIYT while purchasing this subscription, you can also avail an exciting discount available on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So make sure to use this coupon code while purchasing your subscription. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.